So, is your IDM extension not showing in Chrome? Well, fret not because I have in here this tutorial that can help you install it. So, do take note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. So, in order to install it, you can click onto this link right here from the Internet Downloader Manager option. And then you can click onto this module right here and you can add it to your Chrome. If your extension is no longer available into this part, what you can do is you can head over right here into this. You can go over right here to the download option, and then you can click onto this download Internet Manager. Now, it should be able to install it specifically from their part. Now, in order to configure it, you can head over and click onto the more tools onto your actual Chrome, and then you can view extensions and make sure that the IDM integration module is turned on. Make sure the site access is also on all sites and make sure that it's allowed in incognito. Once you have done that, it should be able to be available and show up on your Chrome. So that's all for today and hope we helped.